Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I am going to tell you some of the cool features about Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra guys. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go into the settings option. So here I will go into the settings option. Then what I will do is I will scroll down and I will click on advanced feature options, advanced features, and then I will scroll down again in the advanced features, and you see this option motion and gesture. Just click on this one and you see different options. So I will tell you about different options in this motion and gestures. So the first option I will tell you is about double tap to wake. So this one, so this is double tap to wake. So what's the function of this one? So if your phone is off and you just double tap the screen, it will turn on guys. So you can see here, I will show you, the phone is off, I just double tap and the screen is turned on. So very cool feature. So this is how you can use it. The other feature is smart stay. So the smart stay feature will keep the screen on when you're looking at it. It will turn it off until I'm looking on the screen guys. So it's very important and very cool features about this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The other one is smart alert. Smart alert, if your phone is sitting with screen down, so when you have any missed calls or messages, so when you lift off your phone it will vibrate guys. So very important, very cool feature guys. The other feature is about easy mute. Easy mute option in this phone feature, if you have alarm or call and you only have to put your hand on the phone, it will mute automatically. You just have to put your phone on it and the alarm or the missed call or the call will be muted guys. So the other important function is palm swipe capture. Palm swipe capture, you can take the screenshot by swiping your hand over the phone guys. So you can take a screenshot by swiping the edge of your hand guys. The last function, very important, it's called swipe to call or messenger. So for example, if I go to contacts, I will show you. So I will go to contacts. Okay, so I will select any contacts. For example, I select a contact. Okay, so when I swipe it left side, I can message that person. Okay guys, and I will go again to the contacts. So if I swipe it left for message, for right, if I swipe it to the right side, I can call. So very important, very cool feature guys. So you can message or call the person, so by just swiping the contact to the right or to the left. It's a very cool feature guys. And these are the motion and gesture features of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. You can see here. So it's very cool feature guys. So I hope you understand the whole concept of these advanced features. So advanced features, very important and very cool features about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So just advanced feature, then you have to go into the motion and gesture, and here you will see all the options that you want to enable or you want to disable guys. So guys, that's all. So I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much. Have a nice day.